Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sell single video or audio files that your customers can watch online without downloading. This is a great option for webinar replays, workshop replays, masterclasses and short single training videos. To use this feature, you want to make sure that you are on one of Selar's paid plans, that is the Pro or Turbo plans. You can choose to pay monthly or annually. As we move on in this video, you see all the features you get by choosing a paid plan. To subscribe to a plan, you can simply visit selar.co/me/subscriptions/plans, or you can do that right here on the dashboard. To do this, navigate to the top right to the hamburger icon and to the left, scroll down the dashboard to where you have Get Selar Pro plans. Once you click on that, you are going to see the plans available and you want to select the best option for you. So the starter plan is the free plan where you can sell ebooks, services, physical product subscriptions, Facebook Pixel integration, coupon codes, and all of that. Then for the pro plans, you'll be able to sell courses, right, as well as everything in the starter plan. With the turbo plan, you can sell membership, courses, and every other thing in the pro plan. So go ahead and subscribe to the plan that suits you. Now, once you've selected a plan, what you want to do is to create a product, right? And to do this, you want to navigate to the top right again to the hamburger icon and to the left, go to products, add product. Now, the next thing to do is to select the type of product you want to create. And for this, you will have to select the stream online video or audio option. Just scroll down this page and here it is. So it's a pro plan. So you have to be subscribed to pro plan to be able to do this, right? So you select that, click on next. And then the first thing you want to do is to upload your product image right here. Alright, so we have the product image. Now we want to add a name for the product and I'm just going to call this single video. Next is to put in your product price. If you set this up on your store to manually add the price in other currencies, you see them all here, right? So for my store, I've only set it up to manually add the price in USD and Naira. So you can check out the video where I talk extensively on how to set up your store. If you would like to show a price slash on your product, go ahead and select Show Strike Out Original Price right here. From here, you can put in the original price, and after creating your product, it would show underneath the price you set for the product but strike out. This is great to show your customers the price is discounted. However, for this video, we are not going to select this option. Now go ahead to fill out your product description and you really can be creative with this section, right? That is, you can highlight, underline, even embed links in this text section. So you can even add a heading right here. You can add a smaller heading. So you can highlight this and make it bold and also change the color, right? You can even embed a video right here in the description. Just use the video icon right here and put in your YouTube video URL. Click on save and the video will come right here. So you can play around with the options you have and see what you come up with. Now the next thing you will see is that you can also select the kind of product you want to add in case you selected the wrong thing at the beginning. And for this case, make sure that you selected stream online video or audio option. Let's go ahead to select category, and for the category you want to say video. If it's an audio, you can select audio instead. Now leave this as it is, then proceed to the bottom left and click on save and set up content. Now this is where you add and manage your content. You can either upload a single video or audio you want available to your customers, that is your replay file. Now there are two ways you can add your video content or your audio content. So first is to upload from your computer or your desktop, that is using the file manager option. And then secondly, you can import from an external source, that's from an external URL. All you need is the video URL, which you can put right here in this text box. We have a detailed video showing you how to import your videos using the external URL option. You can check that out if that is an option you would like to try. In this video, we would upload our content from our desktop, so I will just select File Manager. Now under the File Manager, there is a drop down, and here you can see I have several video files. That's because I've uploaded them to my Selar storage, right? So if you've never uploaded any video to your Selar storage, then this drop down is going to be empty. Now to be able to see an option from this drop down, you have to first import the files from your computer, and you can do this by selecting the option on the top right that says upload content. And here you can see you can either upload MP4 or MP3, that is a video or an audio. We typically recommend that your videos or audio be between 30 to 150 megabytes, so your customers don't spend a lot of data watching it. You can, however, still upload a file as large as 750 megabytes, but the smaller the better it is for your customers. So now browse through your computer and manually upload your video or audio. PS, you can only upload one file, that is one video or one audio. So you're going to allow this to load till the end until this yellow line turns green, then it is fully uploaded. What you want to do now is go ahead to click on Done. Now you've successfully uploaded your content to Selar, right? What you want to do now is make sure you select File Manager, go back to the drop down and scroll to the bottom. You're going to see the new file you just uploaded. Okay, story of my life. Alright, so you put that right here. Now underneath the file you just downloaded, you can decide whether or not you want your customers to be able to download your video or audio to their device. By default, the option is unchecked, meaning your customer will not be able to download it. But if you want that, then you can go ahead to enable that option to give them that option to be able to download the video or audio replay to their device. I will just uncheck this option because I do not want them to download it to their device. Once you've done this, you can add a description of what the replay is about. This description will be shown on the content viewing page. Once everything is set up, go ahead, click on Save. Okay, so just save that content. At the top right here, you can use the preview option to preview your content to see how it will be viewed by your customers. So this is how this content is going to be viewed by my customers. They can just play and listen, right? This is the description of the product and it is only on the content viewing page, right? So this is how the product looks like. So let's come back and make this downloadable. So you're going to see the difference of how it looks. Come down to click on Save. Okay, so it's now downloadable. So let's review this again. Now you can see the download option here. Download this file, right? However, when this is unchecked, the file is not downloadable by your customers. So now once you've previewed everything and it looks good, what you want to do is to go back to edit products. So on the top left, just click on go to edit product. Then you scroll to the bottom and before you click on update product, right? If you have testimonials or feedback from the events you would like to add, please do that by selecting the image reviews right here, image reviews. So you can add images of testimonials and feedbacks from the events. If you don't have testimonials or customer reviews, then you can leave this option. But if you do, please do not hesitate to add that to your product. Then go ahead to click on update product. Now your product is live. So let's use this link and try to buy the replay so we can see how it looks like. This is how the product looks like, right? So I can go ahead to get it now. Yeah, so I'll go to checkout and then put in my information and buy the product. Users will have to log in to view this product. So if they don't have an account with Seller, they'll be prompted to create one. But if they already have one, they'll have to log in to access the product. The reason is so they can always log back into Seller, check their purchases, and watch it again. Okay, so I just bought this product and this is how it looks, right? So I'll click on access content, and this is how the product is going to look. Remember in the preview, we were able to view this content page and see how your customers are going to view your content. So this is exactly how your customers will access your replay content once they buy it. So if you didn't give them permission to download this, they won't be able to download it. However, if you give them the permission when setting up your product, a download button will be right here for them to download to their device. So this is how to set up and sell your webinar replays or single video trainings on Selar.